Gabby, you know I'm not great with words, but I'm going to do my best here. I guess you could say we have a stereotypical lesbian relationship. Dating after 2 weeks, I love you after a month, moving in together after 2 months, engaged in less than a year, and married before 2.
I couldn't ask for anyone better for my daughter, and I hope that she's going to make you happy, and I hope you make her happy, and I hope in a year to 2 years we might even see some grandkids. And I just want to tell them how much we love them and we believe in them.
Emily, some people say there is love at first sight. Some say you just know when you meet the one. When we first met and started talking, I knew there was something special.
We gather here today in the presence of family and friends to join Gabby and Emily in matrimony. We celebrate the coming together in love of these women. We remember that marriage is a time when growing love is made public. By the power given to me by the University Life Church and by the state of North Carolina, I now pronounce you wife and wife. You may seal this marriage with a kiss.
From the first minute I met you, there was never any doubt that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. I saw that gorgeous smile and heard that little country accent, and I was hooked.
When I am with you, I am home. You make me feel safe when I am in your arms. Emily, I love you with every breath of my being.
I remember texting Tiffany a month after dating and telling her that I was going to marry you. I can't imagine life without you. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me.
I promise to love you unconditionally, cherish you, lift you up when you are feeling down, dry your eyes when you cry.
There are so many reasons why I love you. I love that you can always make me smile. I love that you make me talk through my emotions when I'm sad or upset. I love your eyes and your smile. And most of all, I love that you let me be myself no matter what.
I promise to be yours as long as we both shall live. I love you to the moon and back times infinity.
I love you to infinity and beyond, and I'm so blessed to have you in my life.